Hey, how are you? I'm Ganesh Rao, and as you can see, the subject or the title of this Webby Live, my daughter, 19-year-old Sharwani, studying in second BCom. She has sold in the last 1 year during this pandemic time, using her free time, not being in classes physically. She has sold more than 350 products using Instagram, using other social media platforms, learning by herself. So why I'm coming to, I'll come to the main point later, but what I'm going to tell you is 19-year-old, pandemic, classes closed down suddenly from March of 2020 till now. In 1 year, she counted the number of products she sold on through dropshipping using majorly Instagram. 350 products. She made good money. Okay, so how she did? It was a trial and error. I'll show you her Instagram shop. Bear with me. Okay, so this is the Instagram shop. Okay, see Instagram, the raw shop. You can see here, this is raw shop, and I'll scroll down all these products she put up, and she sells it. It's unbelievable. Okay, so this is what is happening inside my house. The revolution is already happening inside my house. So she sells everything, especially pertaining to girls, ladies. Okay, this is raw shop on Instagram. Okay, so why I'm telling you this is, there are two types of people on social media. Majority of them are consumers, few of them are producers. I'm one of the producer, and I have many people in my team who are producers. My daughter is a producer. She produces results. She earns income. What most of the people watching others' walls, watching others' updates, and spending and whiling away the time, they are consumers. Producers make money. Consumers spend money, spend the time. So, coming back to my daughter's drop shipping, she has learned it on her own, because I'm not an expert on drop shipping until now. What she did was, she started selling, and she refined her skills. That's how she started. Okay, and it's a fantastic success story. Okay, when we counted the number of sales which happened in just 12 months of her first year of her journey, 350 products. It's not easy. It's not simple. You have to applaud her. You have to appreciate her effort. She could have done anything. She could have wasted her time, but she did not. I'm proud of my daughter. But the ultimate point is, now she has got a better platform. In my company, we have a segment called e-commerce dropshipping. We have 21 videos done by world's best dropshippers, and she is learning from that. She is learning how to expand the market, how to refine her skills, how to upgrade her strategies, and now she will be unstoppable. Okay, if she can do that without any help, what would happen if she can implement the training which we are giving in our company? So we have 21 videos, and we have a competition where the top seller would be earning $10,000 if he participates in our program. So she's there. She's there at the age of 19. I was like a monkey without a tail at 19. Okay, so that's the honest truth. That's why what I suggest to you is, please check my company out. Please check what it is. Please come back to me, ask questions, and know more about my company. If you are interested, then we can move ahead. Not necessary you have to join, but show some curiosity for your own good. Know about it, because we train you in dropshipping, we train you in Indian share market, we train you in cryptocurrency market. We train you in binary options trading. We train you in forex trading. We provide you tools, we provide you alerts, we provide you long-term education, everything. Okay, this is a whole package, and it's registered in India. Okay, and I'm in this since 3 months. I'm making on an average $1,500 per month, and I want you to keep an open mind and check this out. Connect with me. You can call me on my phone number, or you can just shoot me a message. We can connect, and if you feel that this is worthwhile going through, I'm here to help you. But show your interest, then I'm here to help you. Okay. Thank you, Subramani. Thanks for that compliment. And that's my daughter. It is wonderful. Feels proud being a parent. I feel proud that she has done it, and now she is going to the next level using our drop shipping trainings. Okay. So come back to me with your interest level. We'll connect and see what happens, what has God in store for us. Okay. That's my FB Live for today. Just connect with me, message me. If you have my phone number, WhatsApp me, call me, and I'm here to help you get all the information for you to do your own, take your own decision, ask all your questions. Okay? Waiting for you on the other side of this video. Thank you. God bless you.